Hello and welcome to Wow Embossing's YouTube channel. My name is Aditi and I'm back with another off the page mixed media project for y'all. Are you already ready for the winter cozy vibes? Well, I am with this journal page created just with embossing powders. So today I am creating with these powders inspired by Brennan, and I'm literally using all of those powders, so I will be listing them in the description box below. I am using Altnew's Serene Landscapes stencil, and through the stencil I am applying embossing ink. Now at every step as I apply embossing ink, I am going to be using all of these gorgeous embossing powders to just emboss the portion to create my landscape in the background. So sprinkling the embossing powder, extending my stenciling onto the other side because it fits a 6 by 6 page. However, here I have a rectangular journal page, so I'm going to be working this through bit by bit. So once I have a little of that bottom done, I am going to go back and add embossing ink to the sky and add a whole ton of shimmer. So like I was saying, I just shift the stencil and extend that on the left, and Aurora Borealis is just amazing. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but this powder with its shine and shimmer is absolutely incredible. So I'm going to just sprinkle that and heat set that, and you see I like to use a lint roller to just pick up any excess embossing powder on my desk so that I don't have to worry about it sticking everywhere. So any extra places where the embossing ink has come off, I just go back in with that brush which already has the embossing ink and sprinkle more powder and then heat set that. So bit by bit, layer by layer, I continue building this landscape using different shades of teal, lighter, darker, and I bring in pumice from Seth's Heritage Quad for the pathway. And I am then going to be using this frosted glacier, I think, for the hills. So doing that to complete my background for this beautiful scenery. And I just like to use a dry paintbrush to get rid of any excess powder that's gone over the other areas of my page. Now once that's done, I am going to heat set this. Again, remember, for heat setting the embossing powder, I am using my dual heat tool on the second heat setting. That really helps melt all of this powder and heat set it. Now I am going to add a few trees, and here I bring in a few of the other powders as well. So I'm going to be using this navy ultra high powder, which is from a previous release, but I think just goes very well with my landscape right here. So I am going to again just use embossing ink through the stencil to stencil those bare trees and then heat set that with the embossing powder for that perfect addition. Now here I am using these Cozy Homes die set, and I've die cut the pieces, and I'm going to emboss the pieces with a variety of embossing powders. So I'm using the Pinktastic Duo as well as the dried lavender, again a part of Brennan's release. And to that I am also going to add this ultra high primary indigo just for the doors. So with that I have my cute homes all embossed and assembled off camera to save time, and now all I need to do is add them to my page to complete this beautiful cozy winter scene. So adhering them with liquid glue, and you can see how all of those powders just pair so well together, the different shades of teal with that shine and shimmer in the sky, with the pinks and the lavender and that purple door. I really think all of this came together very nicely. Now I am going to add a little white splatter using my acrylic ink just for that snowy effect for this particular art journal page. Also remember, you can use the same techniques and just create a winter scene card if you'd like. So these techniques can be used for any project that you would like to create. Now to complete it off, since it's a journal page, I definitely need a phrase that sets it all in. And so I'm adding a journaling sticker that really gives meaning to my page. With that done, this art journal page is complete, and here is a closer look at all that shine, shimmer, and details. I really hope that I was able to inspire you all, and I wish you a fabulous holiday season ahead. And looking forward to continuing to inspire you all with my creations in the coming year 2026. Until the next time, take care and bye bye.